is Tessler. I'm from Local 250 and I work for Tessler Construction.
Have you ever been to a cost-free knowledge and advancement program?
No.
What do you expect from the third-year apprentice program?
I'm not too sure what to expect because I've never been to a program like this before, so not sure.
Why do you want to go?
I want to go because I set a goal for myself when I heard about it when I was doing the OSHA course, that was an opportunity for third-year apprentices, and I also heard that not many people get to go because you're required to be on time, you're required to be prepared and respectful and actually figure out what's going on in the class and do it. So,
What was your significant other's reaction?
He wasn't too fond of me traveling, but he knows that it's a part of one of the goals that I set and that it's something that I wanted to do to better my career. So he was happy.
What was your impression about the discussion with President Mccarran?
My impression was that I thought he was more personable and he just acted like as if he was one of us, and I thought that was important because you can't level yourself out from everyone else when we're all in this together.
What information are you seeking from the contractor panel?
Maybe just a little bit more knowledge about how other companies run and the way that they go about situations and how they are hiring people and what they look for in things, and I feel like it could help me out in the future.
Was this the first time at the International Training Center? What do you think of the facility and the training that comes with it?
Yes, this was my first time and I thought that the training was really good. I think it's something that not most people get access to, especially being for free. So I thought that it was a really good thing. I think that it's awesome that it's available to third-year apprentices and that Mr. Sticka can send all of us out there.
What's in it for you?
Everything's in it for you. It is what you make it. So if you make the best of it, you're going to get the best out of it. It's all your choice.
What did this experience teach you?
It taught me a lot of knowledge on how to better myself in my position in my career and how to get further, not only through the skills that we have through our trade, but for communication in order to advance in companies.
Have you got the chance to network with other Midwest apprentices?
Yes, I actually met a girl from Ohio, and it was interesting to see the difference between how our four-year apprenticeship can be so different yet so same in different places.
Would you recommend this program to other apprentices?
Yes.
Why?
I think it's a good experience. It's a lot of knowledge that you don't get going into high school, that you don't get going into college. It's a lot of information that just teaches you life skills that not only can you use in your job, but you can use it in your personal life.
What does this statement mean to you? You are paid like as a professional, act like a professional.
I think it means what it says. Honestly, I mean, we're paid to be professionals. We're paid to make things look perfect, and we should live up to that because we get all this training for it, and it's part of the job.